Hi, this is Jayati Narula and these are my Balle Bolly shorts. Yeah, so I started acting about 1 year ago, and before that I was working into a corporate as a Japanese language interpreter. And then one fine day I thought to just give resignation and follow my passion. So yeah, I am here, and this is a small brief about myself. I guess modeling and acting, both of these things somehow give me an opportunity to express myself. I think acting is something that I think I can really connect to. Playing different characters gives me a sort of I think it gives me a sort of life, seeing other characters, how to play them, and acting is something my heart is very close to, so I chose acting as my profession. Nobody really supported me. Some friends of mine used to tell me this thing that I should try into acting, but then it was me only who started this journey. My family also wasn't that sure about how it could go, but then I believed in myself, and it went all smooth. I think my favorite is yet to come, but amongst them the best was I started with a short movie named Ek Pal, and the character was tough to play, and there at that moment I could realize that I can actually act. So it was a tough role to play, and that was the first project I worked on. So Ek Pal is really special to me. Also, talking about music videos, and Jutti Jhaadke, the song of Hardeep Garewal, went really well. It gave me a lot of love from people. My work was recognized because of that. So yes, Jutti Jhaadke is indeed close to my heart. I wouldn't say a dream modeling job, but I would say a dream acting would be to act with Diljit Dosanjh. I am really waiting for the day I could work with a star. He's truly a star to me, and I'm just waiting someday I land up a project with Diljit Dosanjh. I definitely look up to Diljit Dosanjh. He is my favorite, and I think that man is a mixture of everything good. So I really look up to that man. I really look up to. I'm just so fond of him that I can just talk about him all day. I guess patience is very important. You have to believe in yourself, and things go smoothly. Rome wasn't built in a day, so it takes time to move on and reach a level where we want to. So yeah, patience is very important, and working on ourselves is important in every field, especially in this industry. It's really important to work on yourself, on your health, on your mental fitness, on your physical fitness. So yes. So I love to sing. I also paint at times, and singing and painting, these are two things that I do when I am not doing anything. Also, I love to cook. So I also cook food for myself. I wish I don't have to face that situation ever, that I am not a model or an actor, because that's my dream job. Anyhow, if that doesn't happen, then I think I would be singing somewhere, because that's what I do apart from acting. So yeah, I would have focused more on singing, and मैं कहीं गा रही होती शायद. So I watch Cartoon Network even now, and I just love watching Noddy and Oswald and that Tom and Jerry and cartoons of my time, and I still watch them. So I still have that kid in my heart, very much alive. Second is I have this habit, I don't know, yes, it should count as a fun fact. What I do is I just keep doing like this, like I keep touching my lips with my nose like this, and you'll often find me doing this when I'm thinking something and I'm like, so yeah, so this is weird, but yes, I do that. I use a lot of cuss words when I am driving, and there's that typical Delhi wali gali comes out from my mouth अगर कोई मुझे overtake करे और someone is just looking at me. So yes, I think ये जो गाली वाला है वो बहुत जल्दी मेरे मुंह से निकल जाता है. जब मुझे बहुत तेज़ गुस्सा आया होता है और मैं अपना गुस्सा एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाती. नाउ आई कैन नॉट से समथिंग लाइक फॉर से समवन इज़ माई सीनियर, और मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है बट मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पा रही हूँ. एंड देन what I do is I rub my palms like this. Like you'll see body movement. You'll see me doing this, and that's how you come to know कि मुझे बहुत तेज़ गुस्सा आ रहा है. But मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पा रही हूँ. So yes, next time अगर आप मुझे कभी ऐसे करते हुए देखें तो आप समझ जाना कि मुझे गुस्सा आया है. Fifth fun fact is I read about things very deeply. Like if I am at any place and I am seeing things around me that I don't know about, और उसकी पूरी फंक्शनिंग I'll read about it in detail कि वो कैसे फंक्शन कर रहा है. If I see any gadget, उसके अंदर का पूरा उसका फंक्शनिंग कैसा है, उसमें वायरिंग कैसे हो रखी होगी, एंड हाउ इज़ इट वर्किंग. सो आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस. आई हैव अ वेरी क्यूरियस माइंड. मैं एक चीज़ को देख के 1000 सवाल कर सकती हूँ, और अगर मुझे उन सवालों का जवाब नहीं मिलता है देन आई गूगल अबाउट थिंग्स. आई गेस बोथ गो हैंड इन हैंड. लक कैन नॉट हेल्प यू एट ऑल if you're not working on ourselves. If we are not determined enough to move on our path, then luck isn't going to help anyway. So luck helps us when we actually decide what we have to do and we work on it. That is when luck favors us. So hard work is important, and luck comes after that. I lose patience very quickly, and sometimes when I don't like things, I just tend to say those things I'm very straightforward, and I want to change that thing, that I shouldn't be doing that. I think that is something I want to change in myself. I guess my phone, because I'm always worried there must be some work call, so I just don't leave my house without my phone. So I really want to be a part of any good movie where I play a character which gives me a sort of satisfaction that yes, I have worked this tough role, and I guess this and coming up with an album is my ambition for the next year or the coming year. My Instagram handle J Narula, and it also mentions the number where you can contact me. It's my management, and yes, people can reach me out there. Thank you so much for having me here. It was a lovely experience. If you like this interview, please like, share and subscribe Balle Bolly Magazine's YouTube channel.